if you want to stop your iPhone from automatically changing the brightness, it's very easy to do. So let's go to our settings. And what we're going to do is go down to accessibility and go down to where it says display and text size. From here, you want to scroll all the way down and you'll find auto brightness. Now, this will be on a couple older versions of iOS, so don't think you need the newest iOS version. So this should be here. So go ahead and click off auto brightness. It may affect the battery life as it lets you know. So from this point forward, if you want to change the brightness of your phone, you would have to use the drop-down menu at the top right corner. And then from here, you would be able to adjust that accordingly. What you can do if you don't want to do that, or if you forget, you can back out of your settings here and go back to the home page here and just go to display and brightness. And from here under brightness, you can also go back and forth, and you can go and hit automatic if you want to change between light and dark mode. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to stop iPhone from automatically changing the brightness.